with this kind of rally on Dalal Street, you see newer and deep-pocketed investors coming to your doorstep and saying कि सिन्हा साहब ये तो रैली हाथ से निकलती जा रही है, ये पकड़िए 50 लाख रुपए और हमें उतना ही कमा के दीजिए जितना आपने अपने पुराने दोस्तों को, पुराने निवेशकों को कमा के दिया है. So those who remain invested are riding the coattails of this wonderful bull market. But for those who are coming in, life is difficult, and even it is difficult for you because you have to deploy that money at these elevated levels. So how are you grappling with this conundrum? One end not booking profit, and at the other end putting in fresh money.
Okay, so let me answer your question in two parts. One is that, for those who are bringing in money today, I am clearly telling them that, you need to be prepared for three things. Number one, you should be prepared for a more moderate return. Number two, you should have a longer time horizon than what you are looking at as long term. So I would say that, you should look at a minimum 3 years horizon in which to bring in the money. And thirdly, you will need to respect the quality of stock picking that we will be doing at this level of the market. Because if we are going to be chasing price momentum, then it is quite possible that, we will be getting into slippery ground. Okay, so that is one part of the response to your question. The other part is that, what do we do with the existing holdings? So, we just introspected our own portfolios and we found that, out of 35 stocks that we have in our multi-cap strategy, as many as 10 stocks have already been multi-baggers, in the sense that, they have appreciated by anywhere above 100% to as much as 500% from the point of when we had entered. But the issue is that even at these levels, I am finding it difficult to replace these stocks with some other stock, because to do that, either I have to go down the quality curve or I have to go up the valuation curve in terms of an alternative stock selection. And I would say, thankfully, Shailendraji, many of these multi-bagger stocks of the yesteryears continue to be performers in the market today.
Absolutely.
But why did I raise this point is that, there will always be a point at which even I will not be able to justify incremental investments in these multi-baggers of yesteryears. And therefore, for those who are coming in now, is why I'm telling that, please be prepared for a longer horizon, for a more moderate return, and be respect us for the quality of our stocks.
जी सिन्हा साहब, बाजार का एक अनलिखा नियम ये है, जो चीज़ दुगनी होती है वही दुगनी होती है दोबारा.